siibula omuddu wange ndeka siibula omuddu wange siibula omuddu wange ndeka siibula Museveni yanjooga n'antwala n'ansula ku jirikiti. Ekizibu ekiri mu Uganda kya facility. Abakazi abo ba facility be basudde amawanga. Ne bwe munaayiwa amagye mu Kampala ne muyiwa amagye everywhere. Abakuuma ekibuga omutali Katonda bakuumira bwereere. That's what the Bible says. The Bible says if you guard a city without God, without the support of the population, you are guarding for nothing. These soldiers suffer the same problems with the wananchi. Obujozi bwabwe bubajogesa abantu bwa DNA is inborn.
Buli musaayi.
Buli mu musaayi okujoga abantu. Kati omusajja mpezeze emyaka 6 omukanje oge ne mutabani wanje oge ne muzukulu wanje oge never waffe ne family yaffe tegereko nti ninabe nakolera abatasasula bantu ne bankuba ne banyonoona bankuba abakamwana bange ne bankuba nenkwata ku tumwebaze gwe nenkwata ku kabukinga gwe nenkunyweza gwe tweya pusi nkutta. Yes, I'm emotional. I'm an emotional man. Because they don't know, they think that we have to be out. Chibaswaza, Muswala, Muswalira Dala, Muswala.
Nga sinatandika programu ya leero kino kirango kikulu. Nze kamwa kwogera ne muganda wange Kereyo weyuke tulina property yaffe gye tutunda. Property eno y'abanenemu abalinamu kasente. Tutunda ettaka lyaffe eririko ennyumba ewedde nga lino lyenkana decimal 37. Property yaffe eno eri wano mu Kampala Erungujja ku Kalema Road mu Lubaga Division. Ekyapa tukirina ate nga tekiriiko nkaayana zonna. Kati gwe wene yali agadde okutugulako property yaffe eno tukubireko oba tuweereza obubaka bwa WhatsApp ku namba ezo z'olaba ku screen. Ennyumba y'amaka eriko ebadde epangisibwa era ng'eriko residential 2 zino ziri 2 mu emu bakiyite 2 in 1. Buli residential emu kuziriko erina 2 bedroom oba ebisenge ebisulwamu 2 eriko ekiyungu naye ng'emu kuzo eri fully furnished oba gamba erimu ebibajje ng'emu terina. Ku nnyumba eno tulinako ne staff quarters eziri wabweru nga nazo zirina showers omuntu asobola okunaabiramu. Ettaka eririko erya compound ligazi bulungi era osobola okulikolerako enkulaakulana yonna nga muno osobola n'okuzimbako kalina. Kati agisiimye tukubireko oba tuweereza obubaka bwa SMS twongere okwogera ku property yaffe eno ku namba z'essimu z'olaba awo waggulu. Mwebale nnyo okutuwagira. Bw'abadde alanga bizinensi yo nga tetambula kyokka ng'oteekamu ssente nnyingi mu kugiranga naawe watandikawo obutandisi bizinensi ng'oyagala bakasitoma bakutegeere mangu kankubuulire. Business yava mu nange enkadde kati business bagirangira ku internet. Kano ke kaseera gw'abadde ateeka ssente nnyingi mu kulanga nga tolina kyofunamu osambe emiwendo egyo egya waggulu. Konko na budget y'okulanga ebulire mu ttaka va mu layini ojje ku layini. Wano ku TM Online Television tukulagira business ye ya buli kika. Ate omwaka 2020 tusazeewo. Kati buli atandika obutandisa okulanga ne TM mu mwaka 2020 guno tukusaliddeko ebitundu 2 ku muwendo ogwawamu. Tukubire ku namba z'essimu z'olaba ku screen. Osobola tuweereza obubaka bwa SMS oba tuwandiikire obubaka ku WhatsApp. Osobola tuweereza obubaka obuwandiike mu ngeri ya email eyo gy'olaba. Twogere okuteesa ku business engeri gy'eyinza okutambula. Muve mu nnanga enkadde kati mujje mu nnanga eriwo. Yanku TMO tukulangire business yo.
Sebo.
Wanyi sebo.
Ngambo otya.
Sira bigambo mzee.
Yes.
Bitambula bitya.
Bitambula bulungi.
Ebule ndaku ntono tulonde.
Yes.
Akalumu kataddemu obweraliikirivu.
No.
Mu deployinga buli wamu.
Tewaliiwo ambabuulire. Omuntu yenna alowooza nti akalulu kali wakati wa Museveni ne Bobi Wine abatamanyi
ate kali wakati wani.
The battle is not between Museveni and Bobi Wine. Bobi Wine was brought. It's like when you find a man in your house sleeping with your house, your wife. A simple mind thinks that this man sneaked into the house. No. Is your wife who convinced this man to sleep in the house?
Can't I think that
if the villagers talk to this man, but why did you sneak into somebody's house? The man will tell you, this is not the first time to sleep in the house. I've been sleeping in this house, sleeping with his wife for many years. But the problem, bahati mbaya, kunono yaninye kagere ku kagere. Kakati njagala okubabuulira. Obuzibu obuli mu Uganda si buzibu bwa Bobi Wine na Museveni. Ne bw'ataalibadde Bobi Wine kino yali kikoze. Ayina omukazi eyamuyingiriza mu nnyumba y'omusajja. If you don't understand this, that Bobi Wine would have been you are going to hear a recording of Miso. Miso has been recording these people. Miso, if they didn't know, Banyiza, oyo omukolo waboogo, yali tamanyi gwalwana naye. When you look at me, you don't know the person you are fighting with. Wabogo fought me, but he didn't know the person he was fighting with. Wabogo has never fought me. We are ordinary souls. We are human beings. But Wabogo, in the process of fighting me, he fought somebody he didn't know, and he does not know, and he will never know.
Hasn't he realized that he was fighting someone wrong?
Do you know the person you fought? Are you ready to pay the costs involved? Obujuzu ng'obubajogesa abantu n'obutunulyanga mu State House. Ne bunjoga. I will never work with the State House again. I will never enter State House again. I will never work in the government again. Even if Museveni appoints me a vice president, I cannot work in his government. I can work as a volunteer in his State Council toilet, but I cannot work as Museveni's minister. Why? It's not me to decide. Omulenzi oyo gwe yeeregako, oyo omulenzi lwabwogo gwe yeeregako, teyeerega munsi. He must solve his problem. Sibirimu. Obujuuzi obwo obubajogesa abantu nemutujoga nemutulowooza nti tuli baana ba mirundi, tuli baana baani, n'ojoga n'oganyoga kasasiro n'omugjayo ng'ojja mugjayo. I'm not an ordinary Muganda. I'm not.
What do ordinary Baganda do?
That boy fought somebody who could not compromise. I cannot work in the Museveni's government. Kakati mbagamba. Kyobuzibu bano abasajja bwe baali bayina. Omuko yalowooza nti yasobola okufuga eggwanga. Omukoyo lwabwogo is the cause of all the problems Museveni is facing. Kakati ate n'alowooza ti mukoddomi we mukoddomiwe Kayini Lugaba Jeraivo nabawandiikira akatabo nembateekera akatabo how akazu this is nation nga nze maze okubategeera obujonzi bwammwe I knew akazu when he go to Rwanda Habyarimana's wife
Agatha
manipulated the Hutus. The Hutus had fought a revolution. Ngabatusi against the Tutsis tried 3 times to go through Burundi to topple Rwanda. Ne baba wangu okutosere wajjawo omukazi Agatha abakazi abo ba first lady be basudde amawanga. If we don't study the first lady properly, because what you don't know, the first lady is an elderly woman married to the president. Nange bakazi bange bantawanya. Even me, atambula n'ennyonto. Akola obulamuzi in my family.
Balema igwe bakutiira ddala.
Abakazi bakatudde abatutondera. Buli mukazi yenna Agatha Habyarimana yasuula Habyarimana.
Yakola akazi.
Mama Kazamira yasuula Gundi Enwansi. Rebecca Galanga ali luddawo. Michelle, because when you read this book of mine, akatabo kano nkugamba, the first ladies have a problem. They fear their future. In every government, African government, the problem of first ladies, if it is not addressed, mufunekizibwa. Nabawandikira wa. First ladies kaka. Nze sitya kufa. Toli asobola kunzita. Because I'm not a human being.
How first ladies undermine succession.
Ewaffe mu family. Nze nkwatiridde family yaffe. Bali ba Christians baani. Nakutwalako ewaffe n'olaba ettogero. I was born with a pot.
Yagenda Lumundi
I'm not
lete.
a human being. That's why I don't fear to talk of facts. Because I'm not an ordinary human being. In fact, in tradition Chiganda, I would have been a king of my area. Why? I was not born in an ordinary way. I spoke when I was 6 months. The first time when I was born, somebody brought an empty pot, a togero, which I still have in my house. Kuga ebintu byange ebindiko kyobola sibatya kill me, you kill the entire family of yours. Kakati nawandika akatabo kange kano nembaga nti obuzibu bwammwe bwemuyina obuli mu Uganda, you have not addressed the fears of the first lady. Kyovolaba lwabogo yatawanya eggwanga. Why? Lwabogo ekyo kyava atawanya eggwanga. He shares the feelings of the first lady. Nabagamba ne batunula nenga ate banankola ki? Ate omuntu omuba badduke. In fact gamba buli lwabogo yali badde yadduka dda ne kantu ya pusi nakana akasiya akagundi ko kadduse kana vision katoka atembi kulubya ko tugenda okuttira wa. This is going to be operated nawe kati nakugamba nze mutano wa Mirundi nakugamba how first ladies undermine the success. Nabagamba the challenge with the women is that they live longer than their husbands. This may be because they go into marriage at a very young age compared to their husbands. The second reason is because Many are deployed in risky situations which put their chances of survival and long life in danger. This partly explains why the widows are many. However, unless a man remarries and gets care from a new woman, he lives a short life after his wife's demise. Nabadde nkinyonyola mukwano gwange Dungu tata w'ekyapambalaasi. I told him, if a woman dies earlier than a man, the man dies very shortly. Namugambye tata mama wo okuva lwe yafa. We have more widows than widowers. Tata wange yafa 20 years ago. My father died 20 years ago. Mole wali.
Polida.
Nina muganda wange omukulu yafa in 1980 widow we wali. Ne muganda wange omulala omukulu was a police officer yafa 1980 widow we wali. We have more widows than widowers.
Oyagala kungamba tiba first lady bano basigalawo.
Yes.
Kati obuzibu bwabwe kupanikinga kulowooza nti we banasigalawo banabeera batya.
Uganda is not nababuulira mu katabo kange kano nakawandiika ne mbagamba Uganda egenda kufuna ekizibu. Nakawandiika offered on Wednesday 1st January 2020 completed at my residence at Zana. I'm recovering from a poison attack I suffered 2 weeks ago. But nakawuno butumi emimwa gino giraba nywa muganda nga yakolera empeka professor nababuulira ne mbagamba ekizibu ekiri mu Uganda kya facility like anywhere ba facility bawangaala nnyo okusinga babba baabwe n'olwekyo facility mwina omukolerawo enteekateeka. Ethiopia facility bamufumya mu nyumba zenawe nga afudde. The only house she knew was Zenawe's house. And women don't tell their husbands. A woman must tell the husband bwenfiira wano ndekawa. Abakazi balina otubuuza.
Singa ofa kati ondese otya.
Does not have a vehicle. Alina okutwala abaana okusoma. None of my wives does not have a house of her own. Ewange tewagenda kubeerayo kulwana because
ekyo kirinako garanti abamu bayinza okayanire none bakayana
tebagenda kugenda Kabalagala ab'Ekabalagala tebagenda kugenda Wazana ne mu kyalo kiri kiriya
oyinza okufunamu omwana ow'omululu
anti nga bamukuba kubanga nze Katonda yanyamba buli maka gayinamu omwana omulenzi ate n'abaana bange be nazaala ku bakazi abatalina maka nabo balimu omulenzi omugabe waabwe waali nabo balinamu omugabe agenda okuba bano bagenda kwegatta bakube bano
ng'omugabe waabali ajja lumba eno
anti kyenkubuulira to mitigate this all of them are educated highly educated.
That's good.
They have betandikiddewo ebintu byabwe. My second point is that buli family cluster njiwadde ewaayo nange nesigazaawo obugagga bwange oba omukyalo gye bakola ki
gye bakuzaala
gye banzaala era kati ngenda kutandikayo tax park nina kamunye 10 ezigenda nga okuva ewaffe mu kyalo okujja Kampala ngenda kuwumulira waffe have a farm I have what kati nkoze endagala oddawa waffe.
Mukwano gwaffe Pasaiga bwe yafa yagamba bamuziika okuliraana maama we engeri gy'oyagalamu maama wo
kakati nze kyekugamba
ndowooza labe bali kuteeka wali maama wo
nabano nabagamba ti gavumenti ya Uganda terina mitigating first lady bonna balina okuteekwa ekumu as ordinary women ondekawa
mpulira
omukazi yenna atasobola kugamba bbaawe ayina kapasite ti mwami bw'ofiira wano ndekawa. Omukazi bw'akugamba mwami bw'ofiira wano ndekawa. Kati first lady
omuddamu otya
mu nsi yonna mu Afirika balina ekizibu ekyo mwami. Kati ba first ladies olw'okuba liivulonga bakola ebintu abamu ne bayitamu abamu ne bibasuula. Kati nkugamba
wano mu Uganda kye kitutawaanya.
The challenge with the women is that they have longer life than their husbands. This may be because they go into marriage at a very younger age compared to their husbands. The second reason is because men are deployed in risky situations which put their chances of survival and longer life in danger. This partly explains why the widows are many. However, unless a man is married and gets his care from a new woman, he lives a short life after his wife's demise. In Uganda's case, it is up to the population to decide how succession will happen. But we cannot allow the growth of power and influence of the mafia gang, who have already positioned themselves to grab power if we nababulira nti mu Uganda we must safeguard the first lady. We must ensure that the first family is insulated. Nembagamba ekyonga kibalimye ngenda kutuuka mu buzibu.
Isn't it the role of the husband?
No.
Museveni to secure the future
and the first family lwabwogo lwabwogo ajoze ensi eno nga Nazala we yamuwaga fenna natujoga natufuula embwa. I can tell you when I was in the State House, Afende Muhoozi used to stop and greet me. Afende Muhoozi used to ring me. Afende Muhoozi, when I was sacked, he rang me to console. Lwabwogo yajoze ensi eno. Lwabwogo abadde asudde gavumenti ya Ssezaalawo. Lwabwogo mujja muwulira ng'ayogera. You play this tape and play the other tape and you hear Lwabwogo, what Lwabwogo is talking about. Lwabwogo yatujoga natufuula embwazi ye ng'alowooza nti Nazala we. No, tituyinza kukkirira mulenzi oyo kutufuga yalibadde yadduka dda. I even wonder why Lwabwogo is still here.
I see.
Nze tanjagalirako ddala naye nange simwagala. Bwali batadduse bajja mukwata oluma be bamwasa omutwe. He's not fighting me. Kakati nkugamba in Uganda's case, it is up to the population to decide how succession will happen. But we cannot allow the growth of power and influence of the mafia gang, who have already positioned themselves to grab power. If we risk this, number one, we should expect a hideous revolution. Whose consequences are dire. Hideous because it will be led by a little known individual, or the army will intervene and throw the gang on the heap of political rubbish. Ladies and gentlemen, let us prepare for a bloody Museveni successor. Doctors can call for a cesarean birth when normal channels fail. Nabagamba, Uganda is headed for two things: to get a political weakening like a Bobi Wine, or a revolution.
I see.
But never munayiwa amaje mu Kampala. Nemuyiwa amaje everywhere. I've been observing these soldiers. They also banawomba from the wananchi. When they want to drink water, it's not available, and they don't have the money. When they want a cigarette,
they ask from the wananchi.
They ask for they will dance like in Malawi, like elsewhere. These soldiers suffer the same problems with the wananchi. The problem of deploying soldiers is not a good one. You will see soldiers in Malawi dancing. How are soldiers being pampered? What do they have? These are our children.
Of course.
When they are given assignments, do they get the allowances they are supposed to get?
So you're telling me never deploying amaje against Kanawa. Mpulira. Baizo kwaberetera buzibu.
Abakuuma ekibuga omutali Katonda bakuumira bwerere. That's what the Bible says. The Bible says if you guard a city without God, without the support of the population, you are guarding for nothing.
I see.
They are no soldiers cannot overthrow a government that is supported by the people.
Yes.
My Ivory Coast, General Gay was a separated general. UN wayona. The moment he turned to staged a coup, it failed. Napoleon Bonaparte, when he went to address the French Parliament, to declare himself, was shouted down. In after the Second World War, church hero, Suru, church hero boarded a vehicle on D-Day. Even he wanted to board a warship, but after Churchill succeeded and secured Britain victory, the British voters rejected him. Churchill, you are good at war. Britain wants peace.
I see.
This is what these people don't understand. When I say is a drunkard, no, I'm highly intelligent. I'm highly intelligent.
I think that's a very good observation.
Compromised.
That's a very good observation. Nebwe mubanga government abantu tebakyagiwagira ne bwoyiwa amajja agenkanawa mpulira baba
jewa abasirikale
mpulira.
The soldiers are part of us.
They are our children.
Gambi.
Our brothers.
What January? Mbalaba nga batuddewo. And I have not greeted them. Ne aba military police we bali bamanyi. Ne they are wondering, they are asking people, how can this man in this situation of tension move alone? In the fact they are moving alone. Kill me bakosasule. Bali benkongojja okongojja okimanyi
leze bayo kongojja
ekyokulya omulenzi ono lwabwogo abiddwa nakano kafulanga tumwebeza kabiddwa nakano kantweya pusi nakano kakanyagisa akankuba mawulire nekkulubya bonna babakubya
mpulira.
Yesu yakulwanira entalo zo nedda nze Yesu si lwalwanira entalo zange. I'm a man, I'm a noble, ndi mulangira nze nkola emirimu gye bampa okukola
mpulira.
Niddu lwaboga numbe beba mwabi beba wenumba olabe
mpulira
babeja okubalibwawo beba ate sibasonyiwa
mpulira
bo be bali basonyiwa. Kakati nkugamba number 2, this is why the reason why women live longer. First ladies create problems for governments. This is why women are usually more concerned with their future when their husbands die. The same situation applies to first ladies too. Out of experience, they have seen that the families of leaders become punching bags of the new regime. This also is a fact because the new regime feel threatened. Lwabogo yatukuba, lwabogo n'atukuba, lwabogo n'atujoga, naye nga takimanyi twajja bakolera. We came to consolidate their government. This young man called Lwabogo humiliated me. Mutamivu kanonya 5 billion. Kakati tubate mugwe. Gosobola okukwata gavumenti eno gwoyogera ne bagulira like me. Bakutwala emisinde n'etwe eyo n'obugalubindi bwo. Lwabogo esiya mukyawa nnyo. Nazaala we takimanyi. But the mother-in-law does not know how Lwabogo is hated. Lwabogo is very hated. When you hear the narration, Lwabogo says, he even stammers. Waliwo yali agala okunzijawo. Lwabogo, you can kill me. N'abaana tusigala. I'm a noble from the kingdom. Amwe mulangira.
Which kingdom mzee? Weda okongojja.
Anti gwulira. Mu family yaffe ndi w'amaanyi nnyo.
Mpulira.
Since my childhood, nayogera n'emyezi 6. People next to me, omu yazaalibwa avuddemu. What does it mean? TF, the in-law of the president, becomes the government. When the people fight him, it backlashes on the president.
Of course.
When the RPF invaded Rwanda and who broke out with the Southerners, who had been discredited against joining the RPF, thinking that they had kakati nkubuli nkugamba nti Rwanda, the first lady Agatha Habyarimana had divided the Hutus into 2. Those from southern Rwanda who later attained this town of moderate Hutus, and those from northern Rwanda. Habyarimana was perceived to be a Mukiga, a Mulera. A Mulera is a kid produced by a Mukiga mother and a Muhutu. Because in Rwanda, they had 3 tribes: Tutsi, Hutu, Balera, and Pygmies. But the others, this woman, Agatha Habyarimana, divided the Hutus after the revolution of the Hutus over the Tutsis. Agatha Habyarimana, who wanted to take a power to influence succession, thinking that Habyarimana was a fool, but she divided the Hutus into 2. RPF, when RPF went to Kigali, I went with them. But previously, the Tutsis had tried 3 times to go to take a power in Rwanda through Burundi. They had failed. But because of this woman, Agatha Habyarimana, at one time, Agatha Habyarimana appointed her son-in-law in a powerful military position. Habyarimana sacked the man. But when Habyarimana was going for a retraining course, he found the man there.
The person he had sacked?
Yes. He's Muko. He had sacked. Dressed in a general's uniform. Habyarimana said, how did you get it? Said, Mama, Yangambi and Komeo. Mama. I hear people who talk about Mama. Mama is not a good thing. Once government affairs, leave parliament, leave the judiciary, leave the executive into the bedrooms of kings, presidents, and others, the country has lost. Obujozi obwo bujogesa abantu. Kasa mutandika okujoga abantu. Nemulowooza tuli basiru.
Obuyinza ne mubuza mu bisenge.
Basi.
Nga kiwedde.
Bedroom affairs.
Mpulira. Nga gye buteeseza ensonga z'eggwanga.
Nkugamba. How do first ladies, my experience, I wrote this book. It's only a new one. I said, let me write for these people. I'm a risky taker. Because I will never work for Museveni again. Museveni did not save me. When I was humiliated, when people fought to me, because Rwagogo wanted the 5 billion to take it and humiliate me, Museveni, what did he do?
He told you had succumbed to.
She advised 1 million. Then why did I go to school? If I can be an advisor, who gets 1 million? What advisor?
A position you give to butcher man.
What these people sold? I'm a drunkard. I'm a fool. Okay, if I'm a fool, let me go and use my foolishness and I play foolish games with my mother, who is always. If I'm a drunkard, let me go to Kalakala and drink my beer. What they sold to air, Mumsole, I take a coca to Muevas and Kakam, I jam on you, Ninja Bankat, Ninja Bambat. I will never work with this government again. I don't want a government job. What I want for you to do is to ensure a peaceful election.
I see.
Museveni ayinza n'obutadda mukunda bako. Siira kudda mu State House. Where he see me. How many times has Museveni seen me? Many people believe that he sees me. No. I will never work in this government again. Obujozi bw'omukoyo lwabwo bwayitirira. Ne batujoga. Kano akasajja ka New Vision. But
how are they going to ensure? How are they going to ensure a peaceful election?
I'm doing a private business. I want a private atmosphere. Otherwise, if you kill each other, most of the government officials, abana bawe baduse, as you hear, abana bawe bali bweru. See, they are not talking about baby wine's children. Not let us say, Ntibuli Musajja, over MOP, Banavanini, Abajosi Baba, and Twabo Balwabo, Semani Cotasemba, Obo, Wondi of Biobo, Bogun. Franca to Muevas, his children were rejected, were denied a visa. Kabadekadus, Baka Katiwan, Kajanga Kopodokus. Ben to my jars. Why are you running away? Me, I'm not taking my children anywhere. My children,
you even risked having a son in people power. Imagine.
Until Bujosi Wabanu, Sidivadamu. I cannot be a minister in Museveni's government. I will never serve in Museveni's government again, even if it lasts 30 years. Banjo, Mukoya, and Yoga, Dimbwa, Katumsole. But for me, my father told me, never run out from the battle. Ndasigala nkolera Museveni anjoze. Museveni anjoga, na antwala, na ansula kujirikiti. Advisor innocent maker. I laughed at him. I will never, it will be expunged from my records. Silver advisor wa Museveni. Sente maker bazoge. How much money is this? Humiliating me. I cannot accept the humiliation in my records. That appointment would be expunged from my. Nine young Biancola. City Dam government ya Museveni. Biancola Museveni na. I intended for 2 things. One, if Museveni is a Christian, call it David Wing, will give me a chip. Akasimu. Sibula, Umuduwa, Gende, Kati Sibula. I want to go back to my home. Nisi Damukwale government ye. I will never work with the Museveni's government again. I can work as a volunteer in a second toilet, but I will never work as a minister in the Museveni's government.
Are you serious?
Obujozi buno abajoga abantu abatufuula embwa. Buli obujozi bwabwe bubajogesa abantu bwa DNA is in board.
Buli musaayi.
Buli mu musaayi okujoga abantu. Therefore, siisa kudda. Kola byange kati.
Lwaki tebavaako lwaki gavumenti yo tebagiwangula lumu ejjudde abajozi ne bavaawo?
Pulezidenti Museveni namukolera ne muwa information yali tafunangako singa information eyo saagimuwa yali badde yawadde. What I'm expecting for the president, who is a Mulokole, who is a Christian, kusiibula omuddu wagende kati I will never work in Museveni's government because obujosi bw'abali mu government abamulwanyisa bali mu family ye obujosi bwe bayina nakati nga nabatadde ku records bakyajoga. How long are you going to kati nze omusajja mpezeza emyaka 6 omukanje oge ne mutabani wanje oge ne muzukulu wanje oge never tekisoboka. Kati nkugamba all of the privileges nkubulira why did we get this problem? The first lady, we did not pass a law to protect members of the first family. This is what Museveni is winning, yeah, you know. Nzichimanyi Museveni agenda kuwanga. Yes. Sirikola mu government here.
Akalu agenda kajjawa.
In history,
achairo buwagizi obwo ng'alina abajozi bwe batyo.
I consider myself as George Kavua. George Kavua liberated Italy, but he never took power. She is a kudda ku mulenzi oyo. Omulenzi ajoga abantu n'atufuula embwazi eyawamba buli wamu wonna nembakolera mama wange ne baagala omwoja bangoba embwa bakanyuka kasasiro ne bankuba mawuli ninkwata kulubye baka akasajja oba kano katabani kakojjinikole nkutta because they don't know, they think that we have nti tujoga tubeera never kakati nkugamba final nti why do first ladies create trouble? Nkugamba all the privileges the Rebecca Galanga enjoy vanished with the Galanga's death. And Salva Kiir, the president of Southern Sudan, has not helped her. Taminako kakati Rebecca Galanga Salva Kiir amuwase no. Mu Buganda n'Abagereka mwajja oli afuuka Namasole. Namasole okusolya ekiki
simanyi.
I know. Her decision to support this what forced Rebecca Galanga. Her decision, Rebecca Galanga decision to support Riek Machar Enua is because she grew up in the Nua region. This woman, Rebecca Galanga, was a Dinka who grew up in the Nua region. And many people didn't know that she was not in Nua. Therefore, when Galanga died, Rebecca Galanga became useless. Because there was this woman, you were a woman, you were like a widow of my brother. The Bible says, tulabanga kuwerere bwa mulamu simanyi baba saba baligenda mu ggulu mukamuganda okwana bukwanya. But the Bible, Deuteronomy, forbids us from seeing the nakedness of our brothers, of the widows. That's why the Anglican Church broke away from the Catholic Church. That one I explain later. Kakati first lady okujjako ng'afuuse mu kingdom n'afuuka Namasole. That's why Lwabo deceived the first lady. Naye gwe ajooga buli wuumu nange n'onjooga ne pulogulaamu zange jakeemu bakubentwe bakyokuba buli kimu mubajja kunzija wano bansuule Kasasiro mirundi kane kwetu Kasasiro mi tukwetu Kasasiro tata mwana advisor. You tell me how much money. The word advisor is a propaganda title. How much money they get? Nobody, I'm telling you, even in bio, cannot pick the package, the college, to tell you what this person called an advisor gets. Chibaswaza, Musfana, muswalira ddala muswala. That's why I rejected it. Nti nze mirundi abadde spokesman wa president kuba lwabwoga ayogedde embwa ne mugijjawo n'ogisula kasasiro n'osula omwana wamu n'okasasiro miliyoni emu nga ne agijjayo. Tombulira kasiya wammwe nagenda wange kweba. I will never work with you again. Omulenzi oyo lwabwogo cannot humiliate me to that level. Ayina masters na masters. Temuyinza kunjoga ne mumawulire mulalu muki kakati mugenda kunkola ki. Siyinza kumuwagira at whatever level. Sisobola.
Ayagala ntebe
wammwe mujoga abantu.
Ayagala ntebe.
Ndi advice kuki. How much money? Let anybody mention my salary. Ate akavuka akabyenyu akatundanga ne organism kagamba wajja mufuge nja kutta. I would have killed you. Mirundi with my masters. I can go to somewhere where I get $1 million as a salary. Advisor, no. I've never been an advisor in my life. It will be expanded for my records. Abana bange baloya nabalagira mu kijjamu tikiriza kusigalamu likodi yaffe naffe twajogebwako tetuyinza kujogebwa batwale ekintu kyabwe nenga lwabwogo yabikola bwetumusula wano mutamiivu mbwa ate tumujjemu benyondo nenkola temulijjayo mutamiivu. I will never work with you again. I'm a drunkard, I'm mad. Unless you get me drugs to cure me from my drunkardness or my madness, see them kubakolera. See them kolera. I will never work in this government again. No, njakudaye waffe nkuba amatafali ku kyalo nesirikulira bajozi bano abatujoga omukono atujoga natufuula embwazi. Kakati nkugamba ndi another example for Janet. I'm telling you what worries Janet Museveni. I'm explaining that the first family members must be insulated. You must have a law that protects members of the first family. Because if the newcomer...
What do you think could be the ingredients of the law that protects the first family? Should they maintain the wealth, the status quo, the security? What?
In my book, that the first family is like an injured buffalo. Museveni cannot surrender power at this time because you still have problems of dealing with members of the first family.
But when will these problems end?
Given a soft landing. Omukaga joze nnyo abantu. Waboga joze nnyo abantu. Anti lusesala we lwamukuttemu.
Mzee, after more than
joze buli muntu yenna.
After more than
ajoze nnyo. Ogenda muwulira ng'ayogera nedda ssebo otujoze nnyo lwabwogo otujoze lwabwogo ojoze eggwanga lyonna olinga eyawasa gavumenti ndi ffenna watuwasa. If you marry the daughter of the Anglican Church
Bishop
ono Kazimba, are you marrying all of us? Nakola amakompuni negagenda mu gavumenti negajoga abantu nange najoga yatwala 5 billion. Siri basonyiwa. I will never work with you.
Mzee, after 35 years, the government does not think about such things.
Who don't come back to work for you again. Silibadamu. Jakubebiraka mu mpale. Kyesaba President Museveni kiri kimu of 70 years government. Bwaba Christian nga mulokole yalimpadde yakasimu. Bwaba takampadde mubanja milioni zange bitali lukaaga nabatuguza obutabo bwange. Nakati nakubyo obutabo yampandikira ebbaluwa. Sino kirole kyonna kyembabanja. I will never work in this government again. Although I've worked very hard to ensure that Museveni retains his power. But I will work in the city council toilet as a volunteer. But I will never be a minister in Museveni's government.
Lwaki okola omuzeeko nga tomwagala?
Family ye kyajoga abantu. nakutte simu
singa abajjamu
baweereza milioni 5 bakube kasolo.
Yes, we had that recording.
Museveni's family members baagala bakube kasolo kubanga omuyonga
emyoga
muleke kutujooga nojooga abaana b'abanno nobasibisa mu kkomera bakivumbi bwe yakoze toilet yameka sente ne bazitwala bano bannasali abakazi omukazi atayinemu ne bamutwala ne bamugjawo sakwa nokolima najooga ensente newunye nakalema akyaliwo wano nokolima bamukwatira wonna omutwe bagwasa. We came to help you, you humiliated us. Mutujoze bujozi mirundi mulalu. Nze ndi musajja mukulu nina abaana 6 abaana bange bafumbiddwa bukidde nakuba ne kabusinga nenkukwatako engalo gwe sikutta nenkwata kabusinga bakulubya bayise nyina bamukebera omutwe njabo gwe baali mwokya
obusungu nga bungi muzeeyi
was reached by supporting Museveni. Are you rewarding me in to humiliate me mulalu mutamivu nyizo benyondo tituliddamu nyito ba wa mauli nyito ba kabushenga ne mutta kabushenga disappear kagonoli kadusene ntwe ya kuba kanonya kabadeke kakuba mauli kulubya alina nkimu kulubya is hiding in a forest like a monk. Why kujoka abantu mutujoze nnyo banyaffe banyiga. Be human. A man who has stood with you, a man who has defended this government, I become a drunkard, I become a madman, nengobwa, nenkuba mawulire. Are you serious? Minister, Benyondo, bring my appointment. Benyondo nkwasa omutwe.
Ajirese.
Simanyale ku committee. Kirete yo. Benyondo nkwasa omutwe. What I need, marching orders. Tukwa the billions, you know. Museveni grabbed my money. Mafia. Bali mapate billion ya bisi. Museveni naze bagamba njasimo. This is the man I'm looking for from the president. If the president is a Christian, I've worked for him. I know he shall win, but I will never work with him again. The suffering.
Atana kuwaka sete nga tomukolere.
Yes.
Aizo lozo jamu yekera.
Ndio wafe. Ne familia fetegereko. Ninabe nakolera abatasasula bantu ni bane banyonona baba kamwana bange ne baba ninkwata kutumwebaze gwe ninkwata kukabusinga gwe ninkunyweza gwe toya pusi nkutta toyinza kunkuba mawuli ngamba akoledde kakati wena musabu. Yes, I'm emotional. I'm an emotional man because I've been humiliated from here to there. Mbakoledde tebansasudde mbakoledde banjozi mbakoledde banhumiliating, but the public is paying me.
Of course.
Abantu babulijjo bo tebangoba ne government bwego olwaleero. People are asking why is mirundi. Yes, mwanjoga buli wamu wonna nimbakolera mwansasula ki mange ne baagala omwocha ojo omuleetirwa bwogo nakunganya bunne nebunkuba mawulire ndi mulalu ndi nyizo Benyondo nenkwasa omutwe. I don't never work with this government again. Siri baddamu siridda mu government ya Museveni nja kubeerera ka mu mpale ewaffe naye obujozi bwabwo obubajogeza abantu ate Museveni tajooga naye family ye joga nnyo naddala omukono lwabwo ogwo alina obuvubuka abo okuti obujozi ensi patamujaga ntamute sinza kugenda toyogera osagala bwa toyinza okuba n'enkutta. Kakati nkugamba nti bano ba first ladies baleeta obuzibu era lwabwo aleesa obuzibu mu ggwanga bwa first lady. Kugamba ti first lady ono waffe bwetulina bwatuulira bano benjogeddeko naye yeebuuza
agenda kusigala wa
kankongera omulala. Nyerere's widow and her family are looked after by Museveni. We should not forget the example of Samula Machel, Machel's widow, who was the education minister in Mozambique prior to husband's death. But immediately after husband's death, she was stripped of the privileges and ended up looking and care from Sinairo Nelson Mandela. The same applies to Falah Ayadidi's widow. After the Somali warlord died, the widows depended on Museveni for survival. One of Idi Amin's wives ended up in the Mobutu's bed. Therefore, Mama Janet must be conscious of the efforts to convince the government to return. Kati Madina Amin, Bantabachi Tegera Bawandi. Madina Amin had to struggle to convince the Prime Minister on Yakomio. Nti Bawangi Yareka Ibindu. Amin is a widow. These are lessons to the first leader. Chovola umulenzono umukuru atujoze nyo natufule embwazi nakabya abasajja abakulu ngaffe ompita mulalu mbajje tukole olwo siri mulalu balonza akanyonja mu benyondo mwaso omutwe mama wange yanga nanga baleke bajoga abantu buli kikakana kigwa ku mutwe temuyinza kujoga abaana b'abannamwe ne mubajoga bwe mutyo ne mugante ne mutonayo setback. A setback has come. Museveni ajja kuwangula. Naye temuliddeyo kujoga abantu nga bwe mutujoze. Where are you going to get allies? Analidde mukola nammwe nga mutufuula ng'embwa. Nakanyukana ne bakanyuka. Yage mwali mugatajjagerayo Kannakalema. Kannakalema bakalabye kala gwenga kadduka kana kafere kana ka New Vision kaduse katuse Nairobi. Kulya wakuttira wano. Kana kasajja kano kafulanka tumwewe kaduse kasula mu banka yako obujozi bwabo abantu we babukwatira wonna babukubira ne babutta mu movie. The people,
I'm also wondering how you spend time walking.
In spite of my tireless effort to support Museveni, Museveni humiliated me.
But you're a special person. After you be humiliated, you still support the guy.
The public knew it was not Museveni. I will never work in this government, even if you find me vice president. Muri bajozi sira bakolera mbakolera lwa stability nje gwanga lino Museveni bamulonde nere sirida mu bakolera muri bajozi mujoga nnyo abaana b'abannamwe mutuyitambwa. I'm telling you Bobi Wine rabe babadde bamulezi ogenda kuwulira nibe bagenda okwogera ku Bobi Wine bifaanagana era Bobi Wine ne babadde bamulese bamujogi n'abaddukako ejjogi eri bajogesa abantu tulimbwa zammwe bwe tumuteeka bano tumuwadde kinene nnyo advisor amwe nasoma propaganda advisor mwe what's the money wali wasobola zogera need to sente mekeze ezinjogesa how much money is this? Don't I have money? Don't I have vehicles? The one who called woman to come here. Tuba Galabwagazi. First, you can walk on how to yoga and Nazara, Gawagiro Nazara, but while I'm 7 in Gamu. Nange Ninamaka, Tiomkaza is of Kujoga, now could you get them?
No Gasigala Naenga or Jogedwa.
Walk a yampite and bois, Katimuri and Gayo. I apologize. Apologize to who? Future and Gamajita. I work for another government. I cannot work in Museveni's government. Mbabulira. Museveni one minister, Sikola. Jogaban, fully when bang and bois. Banyaf, Banabafiji, Bafumbirwa. Netu Swala. Silibadda munga mbadde mukola mungi. If Museveni is a Christian, I need Yakasimu. Nesiddayo. Nzire kukola yoki. Ngende wafene kuba amataffaali. Ngende wafene nunda embizzi. Naye nga sirina mukolo wabwoga njoga anyala ku mutwe. Anfuka ku mutwe. Ajoga abantu sente zonna nazitwala. Kakati nkugamba nti we should not forget the example of Samora Machel, Zuido, who was the education minister in Mozambique prior to her husband's death. But immediately, therefore, Mama Janet must be conscious of the efforts to convince him. Unfortunately, widows of former presidents should focus on 3 important factors in successful politics. The first family is panicking. Yes, need to treat Rwabogo. Muhozi ngata joga bantu. Wachono Rwaboga to joga na to fule mbwazi. Wachi, ainecho muwaga. Wachi ya muhozi ta joga bantu. Muhozi ranga mi. Nangamba. Every time, winasanga muhozi. Kudusi. Na imirize motokana. Sachi ufasaba. Na yono Rwabogo. Na mfule mbwayo. Nebasula kasasiro. Siriri nyakasasiro. In fact, ne sentence mumpezo. Simanyi million mwe mitwalo nsambu. I don't take it. I refund it. Atanopuri. I want my children to expand. Baje chijamu. Echokiru limwajuga. Ubadvisor. Abana bange baloya. Expand it. Ne sentence abo tuzibadisi. 5 years. 1.7 into 12 years. Seri make. Times 5. Seri mutujja kuzibadisa. Obujozi bamumu. Tamuliddamu kujoka family yafu. Tamuliddamu kujijoka. Tamuliddamu kutujoka. Tamuliddamu kujoka family yafu. I have worked with Museveni. Nemukolera akalu without a budget. Ezo zonna zino program zenziyimirizaawo. Omukobo yajja. Nazalawe n'amuwa ssente. Mbwanfuge. Ofugane. Ngenda nkolere simanyi baddombo. Sisobola. Katubayambe akaluka gwe nete mujja tulabako. Tugenda kola ku mbaga tuzine nnyo. Nete mutulabako mu kufumba. We are going away. Tuyina okugenda wala tubategeeza obujozi bwammwe. We are working. I know Museveni will win. Kuba abantu balina buzibu na Museveni. I've helped him to tell the people nti abajozi bali mu family ye baagala musuula. Nete tuliddamu.
Tabajjaamu.
We shall never work.
Alinga yabawagira tabajjaamu muli.
Never work in Museveni's.
Mukazi amusinziza amaanyi. Mpulira.
Museveni would be overwhelmed. Ngamaze okuwangula akalulu. Bobi Wine waabo. We shall launch a party ejokwewunyisa eggwanga lino. Egenda okubalwa Rwabogo agiwulize. Abajozi aba. Buntu eyappusibwani. Yes. We have worked with the president to win. But we are not going to be part of his future programs. We also have temutuyita basiru. Rwabogo taddawo natuyita basiru. Anybody who thinks that we are fools, we are not fools. We are Ugandans, highly intelligent, frustrated, humiliated. We have this bond of humiliation. We shall form a party. Mujajiwuli. Si Bobi Wine. Bobi Wine waabwe. Naye kyoko ly'omulenzo. Tulirabako Rwabogo ng'ali kabangali. Tulirabako Rwabogo ng'adduka. For us, we are different. We have worked in this government.
Singa Bobi Wine goyito waabwe abawangula.
Part of this government. Tujogeddwa nnyo. Bobi Wine waabano.
Anti singa abawangula.
Bobi Wine tayinza tukuba kalulu waabano. Bobi Wine waabano. Genda owulira akatambi.
Anti abantu bayinza omuwagira.
Tayinza tuwa. Abantu bampuliriza temuwa Bobi Wine. Bobi Wine waabano. Mulinde. Ejogo ly'abantu bano eribajogesa abantu. We shall form a political party. Ejogo ly'omulenzi ono Rwabogo adduke. Kuba Rwabogo yajoga abantu. Waliwo amuwaga. Kati katubaddukeko. Kitange yaŋŋamba never run away from a battle. Netegeera bwe
olukuba mpaka bwe luggwa.
Nedda. Tumukoledde. Museveni bwali ba politicians ali nsasula. Kuba bali bandedde 20 billion nazikwata. Naye siriddamu gavumenti ya Museveni. Siriddamu bakolera. I will never work with this government again. Ne munkuba nga mamange bali bamwoki. My mother was lynched. Bajja ne banjoga ne bannalinja ba. Forget about me. Forget about me like a rape. Nkugamba. Therefore, the future, the first family Rwabogo, should listen to this. Mugenda muwuliranga ayogera. Apologizing to me. Why do you apologize to me? If my daughter was supposed to be a nun, I wanted my daughter to be a nun, you defile her. Kati ntukufune najogebwa nnyo, najogebwa abakoledde, nenfuuka embwa, nenkuba mawulire emyezi mukaaga, nenkwata kulubya. That's why I cannot work at this government. If I grab any of these idiots, netusikana muri futi netumwebaza omwattirawo munne. Damugijjeko. Tumwebaza oli musajja. Damugijjeko pulogulamu yange mba bebakwasa omutwe. I cannot work with the tumwebazes. I cannot work with the cannabis. I cannot work with these people. Therefore, much I support the president, I cannot work in his government.
I see.
Sekiri yo.
Mpulira.
Nijo kwata abana nemubenyo nembom twenengwasa. Kunjoga. They killed my political career. Ngasema tejeja neto kimukaleji gwe. Na ono wabo nalitaka kwala kali mu UCC nagoba umutabazi mukakwata. Neto kajijiko beto katebwa wogu. Beto kutobujoze. Genda ko mwakole bakulete nga tolinya.
Mpulira.
Kakati nabagamba. Tino.
Ngatugera mzeyi mu kulonda. Ejjogero linabaweesa akalulu. Eri ejjogo terigenda basuula busuuzi mu kalulu.
Netolwabogo tasuula Museveni. Ayiteko mwakole bamulete nga tolinya bamubbe yali badde yadduka.
Naye lwaki tokkiriza mzeyi nti Museveni wo ayina naye obunafu obulemi okukwata ku bantu bano.
Amawulire tegamubuulira buli kimu kyonna. Vote Museveni. Emyaka gino olabirwa bwoko bwadduka we muwulire ogenda muwulira lwabwoko ng'ayogera webali byali badde yadduka dda
naye yalabika atidde
munywereza wano bamubeba mwatumamu bempale bagimwera bakunamira enazaalawo kano kwatu mwebaze kaali badde kayingira ddeko ne bakanywereza wano bakabentudde bagi kano kalina obutwe okajagaladde bakatala
mukabaawo muzeeyi ali very arrogant yo yabadde ku bazungu nga bamubuuza ng'alina interview gy'akole ey'abazungu nga Bobi Wine tamulaba nga candidate yagamba muyaye yagamba muki mpulira.
Why should Museveni accept to stand with the muyaye? Omuyaye be bamubule ab'ennyumba ye. Museveni's family, the battle originated from Museveni's palace. Bebajoga abantu bebatujoga bebatafala.
Why omuyaye bali bwe baleeta
muyaye be bamuleeta ba family ye. Who is funding Bobi Wine? Ulire uyo muvuka bwayogera naye bucyo mujoga nze mwajoga atajogerwa I'm not an ordinary person bucyo mujoga bavuka mwe mwajoga ya atajogerwa nze sijogerwa I'm not an ordinary human being ne family ya femanyi sijogerwa muntu yenna unsekulu nabata ndi wange netulite naye siridda mu gavumenti ya Museveni oba yamayaka 10 oba yayembeka siriddamu nkola mu kayika state council naye siribadda mu baŋŋaano bakama bange baŋŋaana okuddayo okujogebwa nga bwe najogebwa
siwulirangako muzeeyi nawe olina bakama abo bakama abo be baliwa
siddayo mu bujozi bwabwe. That's why they think I'm mad. No, I'm not an ordinary human being. Sizanyirwa kwa nyito mubebi ko mwendo uyu mwana ndo bana nenyagira ne munyonyi na kuhenshimba mbasoji wabusenyi yapo zikasiya you fight me who are you do you know me obujozo bw'obajogesa abantu obujozo kati nkugamba
natumaliza mzee
yes nkugamba the future of is to the future is protected. The future is protected by allies, not being self-centered. The state is not a monarchy. Forming political alliances means remaining neutral. However, in the case of Uganda, many of those who had the misfortune, those who have had the misfortune of colony war, no Obujoga, Okola Common State House, a misfortune, Katonda na kusadaka n'ogenda okulamba jozi nange nakola najoge sisuubira nti obujozi bwe nafuna survive sisuubira nti obujozi bwe nasanga mu State House obukubizibwa Lwaboogo ndiddamu ne mbusanga ewala Lwaboogo mu kikozi bannaye Lwaboogo ayo Lwaboogo mu kikozi nabagamba nti forming political alliances means remaining neutral. However, in the case of Uganda, many of those who have had the misfortune of working in the State House have no kind words for members of the first family. First ladies should emulate the likes of Mama Ngina of Kenya. By the time she lost her husband in 1978, she was still a younger woman. However, she is credited with forging a peaceful succession in Kenya. The problem is that many first ladies think their husbands must be succeeded by causal relatives. Even where this happens, it is normally the deceased son, like it was in the case of Malawi. Secondly, pushing a relative who is not popular like Lwaboogo, pushing a relative of the first lady who is not popular like Lwaboogo. I don't know what Lwaboogo means. Secondly, pushing a relative who is not popular is also very risky. End is up stepping on many toys of assuming enemies. Who must revenge? Tetuyinza kumukkiriza tukunga abantu nadduka. Lwaboogo tenda kufuga ggwanga. Mobilize the population. Tumutwala talinnya n'obujozi bwe amata n'okwata amata n'okwata ennyanja n'okwata ebyennyanja n'okwata simanyi ennyama n'okwata oli ddungu oli mukazi. Lwaboogo tayinza kufuga ggwanga lino ne bwakola atya. Tukunga abantu nadduka tubakunga fe nadduka ne bwaba alina amakutiya ga ssente tumuddusa emisinde tasobola kufuga ggwanga lino. Lwaboogo tayinza kufuga ggwanga lino. Kugamba nti he ends up stepping on many toys of assumed enemies who must revenge like we when their time comes or the first lady's plan fails. Okulowooza nti first lady yajja okuleeta omuntu afuga eggwanga naye bwe kirema naye adduka bwe kirema naye ayina kukwata ttaka. In such a situation, the first lady is faced with the challenges of staying with the people she once fought. Kasa first lady alwanyisa Mbagazi n'alwanyisa bano abalala. Kasita Mbagazi akwata power alina okusigala. Lwaboogo n'adduka n'atema kuntu eya pusi bwonna nasaba
kasaba nti bamukwatidde wano
ento zaakukanuka akanagisi ne kadduka kulubya n'adduka kubanga mwaddira amawulire balina kudduka kulubya omukwatira ono kulubya kati omulaba kanagisi yadduse kanagisi ali Nairobi bamulabye Nairobi kano kalina omutwe gukolinga ebbulooka kali ku nsalo Kongo ya boda bwekyabikoye bwe bakanywere mwali badde mwadduka dda katuta abaana bake ne bakagana ku America. Kambabulire mmwe, I started with it. Many of these key players, their children are away, their families are away.
They have fled the country.
But you say, mwitira ki londa akalwaddeyo Bobi Wine yatuta abaana be na bano bonna batuta abaana babe Bobi Wine yere fwe mutuzanyise. No, I appeal to Ugandans. Gandhi vote. What will change? In America, when a president loses power, 700 jobs change overnight. Nenga bibamanyi. Kati makamba buli Bobi Wine bwali oba president olwaleero mumufunirawo. Lwaki babakuba? Lwaki mwe babatta? Nga Bobi Wine atusiza ababe muwulire kateepu ako bonna baddusiza abaana baabwe leke Bobi Wine. Lwaki eti tebakubaganirayo? Ugandans, There is no reason why you should kill each other. Tulwanira kabaka adusiza abaana be as evacuated. Bano bonna badusiza abaana baabwe. Ati Gaddafi abaana be basigalawo. Saddam abaana be basigalawo. Naye bano bo abadusiza abaana baabwe kuba akalulu koddayo eka tewali kikussa. Bobi Wine tagenda kusoloza musolo, tagenda kuga ntajja kusoloza musolo. Tubirabye wano balule baani bonna. Go there. Nebo motali.
Tafira bwerere.
Nebo motali genzeyo. Ne akalulu kakunama. No problem. But if you go there, obligation waliwo abagenda ne batekako ebigambo by'obuwemu. Yes, go there as a cheap bill, as an obligation. Abantu mwali badde musimbako essira baali badde babaka ba parliament n'abakimani ba 5 bebagenda okubakolera. Saagala kuddayo kunkubira simu nze manyi ekikola siriddamu gavumenti ya Museveni ekyo sirikiddamu. I work for him nesiriddayo nga Lwabooga akyali ku nsi addemu anjooge Lwabooga addemu anjooge ne buntu ya pusi na buno busajja bwe butayebwa bwagondeka katayebwa ne katunda ettaka lyonna ne kakolaki. Oyo mwana yazimba gavumenti mu yasezaalawo siyinza kukola naye. Naye mbagamba nti gavumenti ya Museveni ejja kuwangula oba alunda aliba naye sirikolamu. Kakati ati gino emyaka gya Museveni 5 ffe gagipulaningira abagyogeddwa nkalifomu naye nga tetujja kugibeeramu. Omwana oyo abantu bajoze Lwabooga tetujja kubeera naye. Abeere mu gavumenti yasezaalawe ng'agirimu ki? Bwomu. Museveni naye bw'anaategeera nti akalulu akajja emmannyo ga mpisi omwana oyo ye yatwala ssente za gundi sente z'education za TV zaalagawa ne radio abanyampisi eswaga basitwala. Kaakati oyo NRM yagambye bwe yeeyina abagenda okutestinga obwo obuntu yabuleeta ddeyo omulenzi bagenda okutestinga emitwalo 24 gondi ziri mmeka polling stations mugenda kutestinga n'abaana batesinge naye oyo omwana kati yeyabireese Lwabooga
buli bwe yali yaleeta kati bijja buyiza we bufulumira
bikubanga kati Lumumba ali kuona mwana kubanga naye ayagala nze sirikolere wansi wa Lwabooga sigenda muwagirako oba nzite naye bali mutta. Naye kyakoze gavumenti ya Sezaalawe Lwabooga ayonoonye gavumenti ya Sezaalawe muwulire ng'ayogera bw'ayi apologize. Siyinza baddamu siriddamu kukola mu gavumenti eno sirikolera gavumenti ya Museveni mu bulamu bwange ngenda kuddayo ewaffe nkuba ebiraka mu mpale naye siriddamu kunjooga kunkuba mawulire tuyinza okusikana mu lifuti ndi Museveni ampise mu State House ngendeyo. Can I go to State House? Nsange yaabo nampita mu State House baka tunyite mulumu ekimiro ne mu malawo. What I humbly beg from the president, I worked for him, devoted and committed, and I have continued working for him. What I need is Akashimo. I don't want a government job. I will never work with Museveni. Maybe I work in another government. Naye Bible yegamba sibula omuntu wange ndeka sibula omuntu wange sibula